Vindhyan range. This is Satpura range. One of its offshoot is Amarkantak. This is Jabalpur Balaghat Gap. Fine, now let's start. Narmada River originates in Amarkantak Plateau near Maikal Range. Fine. And it comes out of this range. Here we dam it. Okay, let's do dam separately. So it flows through this fault and it joins Arabian Sea finally. Fine, now let's start. So this is Bhargi Dam, Bargi. Then here it is Jabalpur. We discussed last day, famous for white marble. So this is Duandar. Sorry, Duandar or Kapildara waterfall. Fine. And now comes as a right bank tributary joining this Narmada river, which is called Hiran or anything else. Hiran. Fine. And one stream it is emerging from Satpura range and it joins Narmada, which is called Tawa, river Tawa. It also has a dam on it called Tawa Dam. Fine. And next, see here there is a point called Punasa. So here what happens? Let's suppose this is Narmada flowing. See, this is a land and this is a land. And here there is a fault. So Narmada flowing in this fault. So at Panasa what happens? Further it digs down like this. It digs down and it flows in that second fault. So that is the reason it happens like this. It already flowing in the fault. At Panasa it again goes down. So that's what happens in Panasa. And yeah.
Could you please repeat it?
Okay, right, I will. See, I'll tell you the cross section. This is Vindhyan Ranges. This is Satpura Ranges. Here there is a fault because of tectonics, plate tectonics. So here there is a river flowing called Narmada. Fine, it is already flowing in the fault. At Punasa, what happens? It enters into subfault like this. Now it is flowing like this, no? So now here it enters into subfault, like it flows in depth like this. Fine. So it is not possible, but yeah, just imagine. It is flowing in the fault like this. Suppose it is flowing in the fault like this. It again entered into subfault like this. Fine?
Yes.
Okay, fine. So here, okay. Here there is Narmada Sagar Dam. And then you have waterfalls. Which is Mandhar Falls. Fine. Again you have dam called Barwa Dam. And then again, because of huge flow, they store some water, they release again. And there is one more waterfalls here. That is Sahasradhara Falls. And then again dam one, which is Hiranpal Dam. And finally, you have the famous Sardar Sarovar Dam. And finally, it makes an estuary with Arabian Sea. Here there is an important island called Alia Beg, which is famous for oil reserves. Fine. So let me repeat it. You go on noting now. So it originates near Maikal range of Amarkantak Plateau, and then it moves out of Satpura range, where it dams called Bargi Dam. And further downstream, there is one more fall called Duandar Waterfalls, and there is a right bank tributary of Narmada called Hiran. And then there is a left bank tributary called Tawa originating from Satpura range, and there are continuous dams and barrages. At Punasa, it enters into subfault. There is Narmada Sagar Dam, followed by Mandar Falls, and then Barwa Dam. This is Bhargi Dam, this is Barwa Dam. And then you'll have some Sahasradhara Falls, and then Hiranpal Dam. And then finally you'll have Sardar Sarovar Dam, and then forming estuary with Arabian Sea. And here there is a Alia Beg, Aliabet, or island, which is famous for oil reserves. Fine. So yeah, can we move on? Is anyone writing?
Yes,
Okay,
ma'am.
done. Okay. So next famous one is Tapi. Tapi originates in Gawali-Ghar Hills, Betur district in Gawali-Ghar Hills. Tell me, Gawali-Ghar Hills. Gawali-Ghar Hills is a sub-range of which range? Branch of which range? You must answer this thing now. Rajpipla, Gawali-Ghar, Mahadeo, Amarkantak, Maikal.
Satpura.
Yeah, it's Satpura. So, 1 second. So it originates from Betul district. And from there, it comes out of Satpura range and joins Arabian Sea, making estuary. So this is Tapi River. So it has not much significance. The only thing, it has one tributary to remember, which is Purna. And one more thing is there is a dam here called Ukai Dam. Fine, that's it with Tapi. And let us discuss a small streams of like Sabarmati. So these are Aravalis. From Aravalis emerges two streams, two small streams. One is Sabar, Sabar, and second one is Harmati, Harmati. They both merge to form Sabarmati or Sabarmati, which drains into Gulf of Cambay. Is this Tapi done? Can I erase this? Yes?
Yes.
Okay. Please note down that Sabarmati. And there is also Luni River, as you already know, that merges with Rann of Kutch. And there is a little Rann over here. Where the Saraswati River which originates from Aravalis, join this little run. So this is Saraswati River. Fine. Now the important one is here. Mahi River emerges out of Vindhyan Range. It flows north and it again comes down, joining Gulf of Cambay. This is Mahi River. So from that you can observe that River Mahi is one river, only one river which cuts Tropic of Cancer twice. Now tell me, which is that river which cuts equator twice?
Congo.
Yes, it's Congo.
PDF of the same is available in the Telegram channel and link is provided in the description. Thank you. Have a nice day.